guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a cash stuffing, so let's go. Our cash stuffing amount for today is 408 euros. So that's what we have. We have 50s, we have 20s, we have 10s, 5s and 1s. I do use a mixture of real and placeholder bills. So for example, this is a real 20 bill and this is a fake 20 bill. So that's kind of how I do my budget, because there are several binders I use fake bills for because it's just easier for me. But without further rambling, let's move on to cash envelopes. So we are stuffing groceries today with 45, which is a 20, a 10 and 35s. So 20, 30, 35, 40 and 45 in groceries. Let me put it in the envelope. Then spending is going to get 25, which is 2 10s and 1 5. So 10, 20, 25. And then dine out is going to get 70, which is 3 20s and 2 5s. 20, 40, 60, 65 and 70. And buffer has 50, but it's not getting anything today. So that's all for cash envelopes. Now let's move on to Ruby Rose, which is our red binder, short-term sinking funds. Beauty is going to get 25 in total. 10 is going into laser. And the laser has now 50, 100, 50, 200, 220, and 230. Into laser, and then 15 is gonna go into products. So 10 and a 5, and products is empty because I did spend it all. So the 15 going in here is all that's there. Birthdays is next, and it's going to get 1. We are working on my friend's birthday, that's in February, and I need 40 euros for that. So now it has 6. Clothing is going to get 5. And in total it has 50, 55 and 60. And then fun is going to get 15 today, which is a 10 and a 5. And we are working still on winter, and winter has now 20, 40, 50, 55. That's for fun. And gifts isn't going to get anything, but it has 50, 100, 150, 150, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 154 euros. That's great. Next is our Johnny Cash binder. Still our short-term sinking funds binder. And health is going to get 25. And all of that is going into therapy. Therapy. I'm using placeholder bills for this because I do pay for my therapy from my bank account. So these just represent that this money is in my bank account. So therapy has now 200, 220, 240, 250, 255, 260. Great. And then we move on to holidays. We are adding a 1 into Valentine's Day, and now we have 5 and 6 in total. The goal is 30 for Valentine's Day. Rollover isn't getting anything and it's empty, and travel is going to get 100, which is 2 50s. 2 50s. And that brings the total to 200, 250, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 410, 420, 425, 430, 431, 2 and 3. So 433, 23. So 433. Yes, and then in Maldives we have in total 985 euros, and we still need just a little bit to fully fund this. I did transfer from the main travel envelope into this one, but for now I will put everything into travel envelope because my trip to Austria is faster than my trip to Maldives, and I still need to fully fund my Austria trip. So that's what we're working on today. Not today, currently. So now we have our Daisy Duke binder. Our Daisy Duke is a long-term sinking funds binder. And here we are using only placeholder bills in this binder. So babies is first, and it's going to get a 1. And then babies in total have 151 and 2, so 152. And babies car is also going to get a 1, and it has 150, 60, 61, and 62. So 162. Emergency is next, and it's going to get 15 today. We are saving 3 months worth of income in emergency fund for now, and we have 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, 250, 260, 270, 275. So 2,075 in emergency fund. Great. So home is going to get a 1, and it also has 151 and 2, so 152. Next is pets, also going to get a 1. Not that exciting, but still those euros add up, so 151 and 2. And retirement is going to get a 10 today. This year's goal is 1,000 in our retirement fund, and now we have 20. Savings we're doing later. Technology is going to get 1. And that brings the total. My tracker got stuck. And in total in technology we have 151 and 152 now. And then weddings is last, and it's also going to get a 1, and the total is also 152 in here. So that's great. Now we move on to our iridescent binder. Here we're only stuffing charity for now, and charity is going to get a 1, and the total is, I believe, 2 now. Yes, so 2 in here. And Christmas is empty for now. We're not stuffing it. Etsy has 50, and Tattoos and Piercing also has a 50. Now we move on to our A5 binder. This is my favorite binder. Then 30 for 30 is me saving 30,000 euros before my 30th birthday, and today we're adding 10. So now we have 1,000, 50, 60, and 5, so 1,065 in here. Then subscriptions is next, and we are adding a 1, and it's gonna go into transport today. And transport has now 105, not 110, 15, 16, and 17. I would wish it has 100. So 17 euros in transport. And then our monthly mystery savings challenge is going to get 3 to represent our 3 new subscribers. That's one of the goals this month. So in total, in monthly savings, we already have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49 euros already saved, and that's great progress in a week. So now we move on to our savings, and we are doing the 50 envelope challenge. So in total, each week we allocate 50 euros because the biggest amount we can get here is 50. And then we stuff until we can't stuff anymore. So we have a mixture of bills. Let me take out the full ones. So a mixture of bills. Because I don't know which quantities I will take out. So I just have a random mixture of bills, and hopefully all of these will be enough to stuff these. So let's put 50 on the calculator and start pulling out envelopes. So 24. So 50 minus 24. Let's grab this one. 14. So 50 minus 24 minus 14. We have 12 left. Let's do this one. 40. Okay, we can't do this one. Let's grab a different one and we'll see if we can. 40 again. And third time's the charm. Let's see if we can grab 18. Okay, no. So we are stuffing only 2 envelopes today, and then we are adding all the extra amount of 12 into rollover. So this is going to go into rollover. I'm going to put that to the side. Let me first color in the envelopes 24 and 14. Let's pick red today. 24 and 14. So I put random numbers on these 50 envelopes. They don't go from 1 to 50. There's different amounts. They do repeat and come at several times. So I don't know the total amount. We will know the total amount once I'm done with this challenge, and we will count it together. So today we're adding 24 into this envelope. And then, oh, this is not opening. And then we are adding 14 into this envelope, which is a 10, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And today we only stuffed 2. Last week we stuffed 5, but they were smaller amounts. That's why we could do that. So we already have 2, 4, 6, 7 envelopes stuffed. That means we have 43 left. So let me put this in my little box. I do sell a set of 50 envelopes on my Etsy shop, also with these trackers. They are completely different patterns, all of them very unique, very easy challenge, and you can customize the numbers, you can get them without numbers. And I was never really a fan of the 100 envelope challenge because I feel like the amounts are too big for my budget, but this one is just right up my alley. So that was for today. We are adding all of this back, and then these 12 will go into our rollover, but I'll do that off camera. So that was all for today's cash stuffing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back soon with more videos, but in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!